Welcome to another Big Dave DIY. Today we are going to put to rest what I thought was a myth. And as you can see, we've got a headlight here that's pretty oxidized and yellowed from just the debris, road debris, aging, just the oxidation process itself. It happens to everybody. And it's a little unsightly, so we want to make it look pretty again. What we're going to use is household toothpaste. I have yet to discover if any particular toothpaste works better than the other, but let me show you the difference between the headlights here. I've got one on the passenger side that's already been buffed out with toothpaste. We got our oxidized headlight. And we got our final product right here. So I'm going to show you how it's done. So what you're going to need is a tube of household toothpaste. You know, I'm thinking better results with the stuff that has scrubbing granules in it, like Scope. That seems to be more abrasive than this plain white toothpaste. Seems to work a little better. You don't have to work as hard. But this regular toothpaste works just as well, or almost just as well. A couple of towels and some water to rinse off. You're going to need one towel to buff the toothpaste in, another towel to dry towel to buff it off. This is going to be a wet towel because you're going to be buffing the heck out of it while you keep your lens nice and wet. So we're going to start off by doing just that. Start off by getting your headlight lens a little damp. Put some toothpaste on there. Be fairly liberal with it. Take your rag and spread it all around. Make sure to get the edges as well. Okay, get that evenly coated. Now, I'm going to start some circular motions here. Buff the heck out of this headlight lens. Go around the edges. This part of the lens protrudes a little bit, so I'm going to go around the creases. Get the lens itself. Keep doing circular motions. Make sure your paste stays wet. You can also do up and down motions. Just make sure you go crisscross with it as well. Now, After using two different types of toothpaste, I've got two different results. Toothpaste does work, any type. It'll remove and fade that oxidation, but I find that Crest Extra Whitening, and you'll see on the tube here it says polishes for natural whiteness. You'll find that in this tube of toothpaste, it's a green translucent toothpaste with little granules in it. Those granules are what help polish your lens. So I find this gives me the best results. Your Crest Extra Whitening with tartar protection. Make sure it says polishes for natural whiteness right there on the tube. I seem to get the best result. Let me show you the difference here. It's a Headlight I did with the Crest Extra Whitening. This is the Headlight I did just now with the regular white toothpaste. So there you have it. That's how you clean your Headlight lenses without spending 20 to 50 bucks on a lens restorer kit at your local auto store. Some simple household toothpaste. Take note of which toothpaste I recommended actually works best. There you go. Quite a difference. Quite a difference, and you only have to do it by hand to get this kind of result. Now, your lens isn't going to look brand new. You've got actual wear and tear, scratches, abrasions, things like that. What your toothpaste has just done is removed the baked on oxidation that's built up over time, which makes the lenses yellow and kind of callous, almost look cataract-like. But there you go. There's your end result. Clearing up your Headlight lens with normal household toothpaste.